UniCredit says it's in a bid to take over domestic rival Banco BPM. The move comes with UniCredit also considering an acquisition of Commerzbank after buying a large stake for its German rival. Let's bring in Bloomberg's Joe Easton, who, of course, is watching all of the M&A action. UniCredit seems to be on a little bit of a spending spree. What's going on?
Yes, we're seeing a lot of Italian banking M&A action over the past couple of weeks. So firstly, we had that news of the Italian government selling their stake in Paschi a couple of weeks ago, and that sort of spurred a bit of an uptick in M&A in the sector. And then obviously UniCredit potentially buying Commerzbank is the big one. But now we've got this news, it kind of upends the whole thing. But really what's happening is these lenders have a lot of strong capital, which is kind of an after effect of the changes that went through during the financial crisis. Also, with interest rates coming back up, means they've got even more cash to spend, therefore trying to consolidate a little bit. So, yeah, really interesting at the moment.
So UniCredit is on a spending spree. Is this a UniCredit-specific issue? And I say issue, but a UniCredit-specific dynamic is maybe a better way to phrase that?
Yeah, no, I think it's something more broad in the Italian banking sector, and I think it's something that the government wants to see happen. That's partly the reason that they sold their stake, or started to sell down their stake in Monte Paschi a few weeks ago. And the sector is really fragmented, so there's around 8 publicly traded banks in Italy, which is a big number. If you think in Spain, there's only really 4 big lenders, so it's kind of double that amount. So it's a fragmented market and an opportunity to consolidate, save a bit of money on costs. But there's going to be a lot of stocks in focus today. I think Monte Paschi, what does it mean for them, given that BPM a couple of weeks ago, everyone was saying BPM could then buy Paschi, but if UniCredit is buying BPM, what does that leave Paschi doing? So therefore, everyone that's got shares in an Italian bank, any Italian bank today, this morning, they're going to be kind of re-evaluating what's going on.